Jay,
Yes.
myself, and my spouse, we're going through some things right now, and we're just trying to heal and just find an answer to what we're going through. How can this intimacy retreat help me out?
Luckily, this retreat was designed for couples as well. So if you and your spouse are going through something, chances are you guys need to get away to reconnect and refocus on what matters, which is your relationship. So this intimacy wellness retreat is going to do just that. It's going to give you guys 8 days together to really work on, quite frankly, figuring out what's going to be the best move for your relationship. What things can you guys do from an intentional standpoint to continue to work on your relationship? What parts of yourself as a couple do you need to heal so that you can become better, not only for yourself but for your children as well? So definitely, from the foods to the meditation to the wellness workshops, you're going to be able to tap in and take advantage of all those resources that are going to equip you guys with everything you're going to need to go back home and continue to foster a healthy, loving relationship. So all my couples, make sure you guys click the link in the bio to register. Spaces will be limited, and I look forward to seeing you guys in Guatemala. Later.